We said there were three things: move large numbers of people on time and safely. Let's talk about the on time idea. What are some things that you can do to sort of establish a certain punctuality? In India, we have some room for improvement there.
Yes. Yes, that's true in India, but it's true in many places around the world. And I think it doesn't matter really where you go. One thing I've learned is common in railways is even where, some of the railways we hold up as very, very high regard, like Japan, people will moan about the punctuality of their railways. But how do we improve? Again, good systems problem. So, there's an operational point of just thinking about how you get people and distributed down platforms and people knowing where there's space on the train and all those sorts of things is interesting. But equally, getting much better control of the trains as a whole. So at the moment for the last 200 years, the majority of trains have sort of set off on a timetable and are controlled almost independently of one another, and almost things moving down a track. The things that I've been working on the last 20 years is about combined control of trains, and this has been, you'll see this on modern metro systems now. So on modern metro systems, the trains will regulate their speed according to how many trains there are in the area. If there's junctions, one train might slow down so the other one can go through at full speed and the others. So you're not stopping trains. Signals, stopping a train and starting it again will give you a delay, just slowing it down and having a more regulated approach. So those sorts of things can be modelled in computers. They can be optimized, they can be put into real-time systems, and they can be then put onto the train. So where we were talking about earlier about the digital control systems, where we have those modern digital control systems, you get lots of benefits out of the fundamental replacement of mechanical and physical signals and digitalization. But once we've got to that digitalization, we can do much more network control, much more optimization as a whole around punctuality. And making sure trains arrive on time, but actually also around energy and around actually even how much you use the brakes and all sorts of things can be optimized.